Today we're looking at a 2005 Ford F150. It's a 3.5 liter engine. The customer stated that the vehicle started running erratically, was having a hard time getting it started. They had taken it somewhere else and they had told them that it needed some variable valve timing solenoids to get the situation addressed. They weren't totally comfortable with that assessment. Asked us if we would take a look at the vehicle and give them an estimate. We told them, sure, get it down here. We looked at the vehicle. There was definitely a lot of timing codes and different things like that in the vehicle. We said that it was a possibility that the variable valve timing solenoids had failed, but we would need to do some testing and make sure that that was the case. Ran through our tests. We were not convinced that replacing the solenoids was going to solve the issue. We talked to the customer, said we needed to remove the cover, the timing cover on the motor, just to verify that the chains and everything were in good working order to confirm that diagnosis. We got the cover off and the chains were in fact not in good working order. You can see here from the pictures that the guides were broken in half and the chains were just flopping around, not allowing the variable valve timing solenoids to do their work and thus not letting the vehicle run correctly. And actually one side of the motor wasn't even working at all. We explained to the customer they would need a new timing set. Went ahead and got that replaced. Took the vehicle for a drive. Runs and drives really well. The customer is very pleased with the performance of the vehicle now that everything's back in correct working order. Drivability issues are something that we do take our time and make sure that we diagnose correctly so we're not installing parts that are unnecessary or that aren't going to get the vehicle back in proper working order. So if you have a vehicle that you're feeling like it doesn't drive quite as good as it used to, or maybe the check engine's light and you're not sure exactly what's going on, we do offer a free inspection, and so please give us a call and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.